Hey, Roger Martin here from Billings, Montana. This volcanic eruptions and other things, this lava is actually going underneath this water course, and you're going to see an explosion here in a moment, both from the side shot and from above. Here goes. These are tour boats, and they're doing a lot of tours by this volcanic activity. And today or yesterday, they had this explosion, and it injured or killed one or two people and injured several others. So pretty serious when you get too close or closer than you should be to some of this activity. They came back and did this shot, but it's even more magnificent from the top, from above. Look at that lightning. Now let's go to another spot. This will soon be from the top. I don't know who got this shot from above, but it's pretty impressive when you look at the top. Look at that. Look at that. Holy Hannah. Shooting out. We'll leave it there. Several people were injured from that, and I think a couple were either injured seriously or killed, according to reports. Anyhow, it's amazing, but too close is really dangerous. You can see that this is a little ways out there, and actually came up from below the water and did that. It's incredible. It is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. An eruption and explosion by the lava that's coming out on the ocean. Good day.